OEM 6H1-45635-00-00. Shift Plunger from Ice Marine is a critical internal component in the lower unit, designed to ensure smooth and precise gear engagement between forward, neutral, and reverse. Working directly with the clutch dog, it helps reduce gear wear while maintaining stable shifting performance during operation. Compatible with a wide range of Yamaha outboards from 50 to 90 HP, including both two-stroke models and select four-stroke engines like F80, F100, FT50, and FT60, it is a versatile solution for many mid-range applications. Manufactured to OEM standards with durable materials, it is built to withstand continuous mechanical stress in harsh marine environments, ensuring reliable shifting and long service life. Ice Marine, based in Taiwan, provides premium aftermarket marine products you can trust. Visit iceboatparts.com, email seller@icemarine.cc, or contact via WhatsApp at +886 966 468 632.